Okay, this is my Necchi Supernova. I just barely finally got the piston for the feed dog control unlocked. It's been frozen up. Kristen mentioned, cleaning it and oiling it, spray with kerosene and oil, and particularly over here. This little part here was freed up, but I could not get the little piston inside there. There's like, it looks brass or copper inside the big chunk of cast aluminum or cast iron, whichever it is. But it would, the little black part would move and the buttons would move up here. All of this stuff up here worked, but it didn't, this would not release. This is what it looks like released. Notice it's off to the side from the other part. And you have to, I've been playing with it, so you have to turn the knob the right direction and push it. But okay, see how the little piston inside there is moving, but see how there's some crusty brown in there still? That's old oil. That's part of what made it stick. So I used my hair dryer on super high heat, and I've had oil soaking on this for several days. I've heated it once before, and like I said, I only got this part freed up over here. The little black rod was all freed up before, but this part would never move. And today I finally got that little part to move by doing a combination of wiggling like this, moving this part. I have to go up on top and push the button down with my right hand, but I can't do both while I'm... But so see how that moves? It snaps back and forth. That's what releases it. I didn't know which way to wiggle it to help loosen it because I didn't know that this snaps up into the base there. And see how it's a little offset. I knew it had to offset some, but I didn't know how far. And I didn't know if I had to move this piece back here or just this piece here. This is the piece that moves. This piece, the little piston thing goes through it. The little rod piston part goes through it. But the little solid, probably stainless steel, that looks